Hi, and welcome to another OpenCRM Tuesday tip. If you like what you see, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to get the most from your OpenCRM account. In today's video, I'm going to highlight some shortcuts designed to make your life easier. Let's start with a couple of keyboard shortcuts. So on any screen, hold down Control and hit the letter G. Jumps you straight into the global search. Then just hit enter to initiate the search. For the next keyboard shortcut, hold down Control and hit the letter K. That allows you to jump to a module or create a new record within a module. Just type and hit enter and it will take you where you need to be. The next tip I'm going to show you is a shortcut to get you back to the module main screen. So here you can see we're on a company record. I just need to click on the name of the module and it will take me back to the company list view. This works on all the different modules. The next shortcut to show you is when you're working with pick lists. Now this isn't unique to OpenCRM. This is a shortcut you can use on any browser, especially where you've got long pick lists. If you just hit the first letter of the word you're searching for, each time you hit the same letter it will jump to the next option in the list. And finally, a couple of shortcuts I'm going to show you on the additional settings page. So as you can see, this is a huge page with lots of settings. You do have a menu here which allows you to jump into the various sections. Hold down Control and hit the letter F. This opens a search panel and you can then search on the entry that you've put in. Finally, on the additional settings page, when you make a change, generally it's you're ticking a value or entering an ID, that kind of thing, and then you have to hit save, which is at the top or the bottom of the screen. The shortcut to take you back to the top of the screen is just click on one of the headers and it will take you straight back to the top, and then you can hit save and you've saved a bit of time there. Okay, that's it. A few shortcuts there for you. Thank you for watching.